Hi everyone. Today the topic is Chemical Engineering GATE previous question paper. There is a 2021 question paper. That paper problems we are dealing. So first question is a distillation column handling a binary mixture of A and B is operating at total reflux. It has two ideal stages including the reboiler. The mole fraction of the more volatile component in the residue XW is 0.1. The average relative volatility alpha AB is 4. The mole fraction of A in the distillate should be find out. So this is question number 17 in 2021 question paper. The answer is, so first we have to consider a total reflex which is equal to minimum number of plates. So given XW is equal to 0.1, alpha AB is 4. So by applying Fensky equation, Nm plus 1 is equal to log xd by 1 minus xd into 1 minus xw by xw by log alpha. So here Nm is plates inside the column. So Nm plus 1 becomes equal to 2, which is equal to the equation log xd by 1 minus xd into 1 minus 0.1 by 0.1 by log 4. So here log 4 should be kept that side. So 2 log 4 is equal to log 9xd by 1 minus xd. Solving this equation, we get log 4 square is log 16, which is equal to log 9xd by 1 minus xd. So removing logs on both sides, we get 16 is equal to 9xd by 1 minus xd, and then arranging the equation, 16 minus 16xd is equal to 9xd. So 16 is equal to 9xd plus 16xd. So that is xd becomes equal to 16 by 25, which is equal to 0.64. So xd is 0.64. So here the mole fraction of A in the distillate xd is nothing but 0.64. In this way, by using Fensky equation, we can solve this problem. Next question is, in a batch drying experiment, a solid with a critical moisture content of 0.2 kg H2O per kg of dry solid is dried from an initial moisture content of 0.335 kg H2O per kg dry solid to a final moisture content of 0.1 kg H2O per kg of dry solid in 5 hours. In the constant rate regime, the rate of drying is 2 kg H2O per meter square H. That is hour. The entire falling rate regime is assumed to be uniformly linear. The equilibrium moisture content is assumed to be 0. The mass of the dry solid per unit area should be find out in terms of kg per meter square. So this is question number 22 in the GATE question paper 2021. So here we consider in the question, if you see in the batch drying experiment, we have a solid with critical moisture content 0.2 and initial moisture content is 0.35, final moisture content is 0.1. The rate of drying is given as 2. So the entire regime should be assumed as linear. So linear relation should be taken into consideration. And then the equilibrium moisture content is 0. So we have to find out the mass of dry solid. So take the linear relationship NC versus X. So here, since it is a linear relationship, we just assume a straight line passing through the origin. So here xi is the initial and xf is the final content. So NC is the critical moisture, NC is the critical point. N versus X we have drawn. So P, at P we have given 0.2 and 2. So here Xi is given as 0.35, X critical is 0.2, X final is 0.1 and NC. So that is the rate of moisture. The rate of drying is given as 2 kg per 2 kg H2O per meter square H. So total drying time should be taken as Tc plus Tf, which is equal to 5 hours. So here Tc is constant rate drying time, Tf is falling rate drying time. So you can observe constant rate drying time and falling rate drying time. So here capital N is given as minus Ss by A into dx by dt. So for constant rate, NC is given as minus Ss by A into XCR minus Xi by Tc. That is differentiating the above equation, we get this equation. So now substituting the terms, that is NC. Rate of drying is given as 2, which is equal to Ss by ATC into 0.35 minus 0.2. XC or Xi are given. So Tc is equal to Ss by A into 0.75. So when you take this slope of falling rate period line, we get 2 by 0.2, which is equal to 10. So the equation of falling rate period line is given as n is equal to slope into x, that is n equal to 10x. So as already you know by the formula, n is equal to minus Ss by A dx by dt. So integrating this equation, we get Tf is equal to minus Ss by A integral xr to xcr to xf dx by 10x, which is equal to Ss by 10a ln xcr by xf. Substituting the terms, we get Tf is equal to Ss by 10a ln 0.2 by 0.1. So solving this equation, we get Tf is equal to Ss by a into 0.0693. So adding those two equations, Tc plus Tf is equal to 0.075 Ss by A plus 0.0693 Ss by A, which is equal to, so already we know Tc plus Tf is 5. So again solving this equation for Ss by A, this becomes equal to 34.65 kg per meter square. So Ss by A is equal to 35 kg per meter square. So the answer is 35 kg per meter square. So this is the today's description. If you like my description, please subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos. Thank you very much.